Alright, look, I shuffle these cards and now spectator name any number, maybe 10 to 20. It's really free. Spectator name maybe 12, why not? And now I deal one by one 12 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's really true. It's really 12 cards, it's really any number. And now 12, this is 1 and 2, yes, look, 1 and 2, 1, 2. And now this is your cards, ace of spades. Wow, remember these cards. And now snap my finger, now this ace of diamonds, this ace of hearts, and of course this ace, oh, this is 9 of clubs, I'm sorry. Look, this is 9 of clubs, change ace of clubs. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice card trick. This is really nice prediction, really nice easy production for cards, for ace, for number. It's really nice education card trick. It's really foundation magic. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe write this comment, why not, and of course maybe share this video with your friend, why not, because maybe your friend magician. It's really unbelievable. Right, look, I take this king of hearts, change ace of spades, change this 8 of spades, change queen of hearts, change 10 of clubs, 10 of clubs, change this is ace, of course it's 10 of clubs here, no, this is not 10 of clubs, and now I shake it and change 8 of spades. It's really unbelievable because I take this 8 of spades and change 2 clubs, 2 hearts, and change 9 of spades, and this 9 of spades, change queen. Let's learn. Right, for your stick you make a little setup. You take 4 ace, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really 4 ace. Maybe you take 4 9, 4 king, 4 7, 4 ace, jack. It's really anywhere 4 cards. Right. And now your setup look like this. You take ace of diamonds, ace of spades, ace of hearts, and now deal one by one 8 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take this 3 ace and put in her like this. Alright? Look, 8 cards, 3 ace, diamonds, spades, hearts. And now take this deck and put in her like this. It's really easy. And now you take little pile and turn over this pile like this. Take this ace of clubs and to drop it like this. It's really easy stop. Look, this is 8 cards, 3 ace, little pile face up, and ace of clubs. Alright. Next step, you make any full shuffle. Maybe you make full shuffle this cut. This is triple cut. It's really easy full shuffle. Look, you take this deck in your right hand, and now you make swing cut like this. Make move it like this, and now this pile put in her use this finger like this. Take this 2 pile, and now this pile drop it like this. I repeat, look, zhik, zhik, zhik. Look, it's really easy. Alright, look, zhik, zhik, zhik. Alright. Next step, spectator, name any number, maybe 10 to 20. It's really free number, maybe 11, 12, 40, 50, 60, any number. It's really free, maybe 10 to 20. Maybe your number 12. It's really free. And now deal one by one 12 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next step, you take this deck, this pile, squeeze, and now you make a spread like this, and now your right hand covers this deck, because you covered this move like this. Your left hand turn over this deck and put in her like this. Right? Look, take this pile, cover this your right hand, this left hand, and this left hand turn over the deck, and now you make a spread like this 12 cards. Alright, look, I repeat. Deal one by one 12 cards, take this pile, squeeze, cover this your left hand, turn over this deck, and make a spread. I repeat. Deal one by one 12 cards, take this pile, cover this your left hand, turn over, and make a spread. Alright. Make a spread, show these really free cards. Yes, it's really true. Take this pile and now you deal one by one, 1 and 2. Maybe you number 15, of course you deal one by one, 1 and 5. 16, 1 and 6. 17, 1 and 7. It's really free. And now you deal one by one, 1 and 2. Look, 1 and 2, 1, 2. This is cards putting her like this. Of course, this is ace of spades, this is ace of diamonds, this ace of hearts, and now this, and this ace of clubs. It's really easy trick. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.